Alright, we're taking the walk again. Well, that's nice. Oh look, they restocked these little guys. Actually, I want to try a different brand today. And hopefully they have them. They do. These guys look like the hooks are even smaller though. Alright, so I'm going to get 5 more packages of the spoiler shads. The profile on these is a little bit bigger than the Power Bait by Berkley. That one right there. So yeah, I'm going to go with these again. And you know what? I got to get me a new ultralight rod because I was messing around with mine today, just bending it, and I freaking broke the thing, but it was too short anyway, so I wanted to get one that's a little bit longer. Amazing, this little cut through is so deep. There's one. There we go. Oh man, good fish. Good fish. Nice fish. Oh, no, don't jump. Don't jump. Don't do that, man. He's just a little guy. He's actually trying to jump up here on the bank, man. Woo! All right. Yes, bass number 1. I thought he was a lot bigger than that. New Ugly Stik's making a difference in the hook set already, man. Thanks for the catch. Hey fishing friends, JC here with Rad Reeling Fishing. Well, I got back from vacation, had a great time in North Florida, and man, I'm excited to get back down here at this lake and see if I can't get on some bass doing some ultralight fishing again. And you know, my goal is to catch a big bass on the ultralight rig, and man, they bite really good at sunset. If I can just find where they're hanging out in this little spot right here. There's a little cut through that kind of joins 2 lakes here, and they're hanging out in there. Last time I fished, it was a big gator. He just would not, you know, he was like claiming his territory, man. Apparently he's figured out this is where the bass are hanging out too. But hey, you know what? I'm gonna get out there and see if I can't get a big bass tonight, and yeah, just have some fun. I don't know what the attraction is over here for these fish. I mean, I know the water's deep and it's cool. I mean, we're in 90-degree weather here in Florida, so that deeper water is an attractant for them. But as many times as I have thrown this swim bait out there, I have never gotten hooked up on any structure out there or felt structure. You know, I've never come back with like weeds on my hook, and all I can think is there's just some kind of deep trough cutout in there. I mean, it just drops off really fast, and there's bass like to hang out in it, and it's usually just right here in this spot. I mean, I have traveled all up and down this little cut through. It kind of connects 2 large portions of the lake, and this area, I've just like casted this entire area right here, and but right here, I mean, it's about a 50-foot area where they like to hang out. Where are you, bass? Where the heck are you hanging out today, man? There we go. Nice fish. Nice fish. I like this rod, man. This thing really puts a good hook set on them. It's coming to the top again. Come on this way, buddy. Come on. Come on this way. Come on. Not in the weeds. Not in the weeds. All right, come on. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. I'd say I'm 2 for 2. Thanks for the catch, man. See ya. Yeah, I think they were more over to the right than they were the left. One night when I was fishing out here, they were hitting it about 15 feet off this bank. They were all just piled up right over there. But the times that I've been here since that night, they've been on the, just off of that other bank over there. There he is. There he is. Oh yeah, man, get a really good hook set with this thing. Really good hook set with this one. Nice. Come on, get out of those weeds, man. Get out of there. Yep, come on. Come on in here, man. Woo! Got us another one. Yeah, baby, love it, man. 3 hits and 3 catches. I'm loving my new rod, man. Yeah, it was a good decision that I made, and definitely I was missing too many strikes on that ultralight rod. So the medium is doing it to it, man. Still got 6-pound test, so I have to remember not to horse these fish, but sure am having fun, man. I'd like to catch a big one on one of these little paddle tails. Oh, there he is. He's coming to me though. You know, I always screw up, man, when they're coming to me. I very rarely get them when they're coming to me. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. My paddle tail's starting to mess up. That's not good. There he is. Oh yeah, man. The friggin' bite is on now. The bite is on. It's gonna be like every cast for the next little while now. All right. It's time to switch up the swim bait. See, they get like that, you got to switch them out. Guys, a lot of times I tie a polymer knot, and that's what I'm tying today. Clinch knots are pretty quick, and polymer knots, the thing I like about a polymer knot is this thing, it locks down instantly whenever you cinch it down, where a clinch knot has a tendency to stretch, but a polymer knot won't stretch. That thing will just cinches right straight down whenever you pull it tight, and that's what I really like about the polymer knot. It's a good knot, man. All right, baby, got her switched out. Let's do it again. Whew, it's friggin', dang, it's hot, man. Florida heat, 90 degrees, man. No more misses, JC. No more misses, dude. There he is. Man, he is coming to me fast. That's a good bass. Of course, I say that every time. There he is. Get his head up. Get his head up. Come on. Oh, yeah. Woo! Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Go grow up and be a lunker. See ya. Woo, the bite is on. One of the things I need to do is really be mindful to watch for gators, because there's a big one in this lake, man. He's about 8 feet long. I actually hooked him one day. I never made a video of that particular fishing trip. There he is. That's a good one. We got a good fish here. What? I thought we had a fish. Yeah. Seems like I'm hung on something. Let me give it a second here. Yeah, there's a fish on there. Come on, man. Come out of there. My line just took off all of a sudden. You know what? I bet I freaking did. This thing is like acting like I've got a gator on here. Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up. Let's see what we got going on here. He's coming up to the top. Yeah, I got that gator look. Doggone it. I can't believe he ate my freaking swim bait. Sucker. I wondered what happened to him, man. I saw him. All right. See if we can just break this off. Freaking Gator got him a piercing, man. Line is stretching like crazy. I can't freaking, there, it came out. I can't believe that freaking Gator messing up my fishing. Get out of here. Get out of here. Dang it, man. Cannot believe I just took the freaking Gator. So annoying, man. He's just staring me down, man. He's like, I'll take your ass on any day. Totally has ruined my fishing. Totally. That's my fishing spot right there, where he's at. That's where the bass are hanging out. That's where they're biting. I'm gonna put on a 3-inch one. See if they'll hit this guy the way that they've been hitting the 2-inch ones. Don't jump, man. It's a good bass. Good one. Oh, he's gonna get in the weeds. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. There we go. All right. Nice. Woo! They do like the 3-inch paddle tail. All right, buddy. Hey, thanks for the catch, man. See ya. Mission accomplished. The new rod works out good. I really like this 6'6" GX2 medium action rod. It's working out really good with a 6-pound test. Got a lot better hook set. And yeah, you know what? Mission accomplished, man. Hey, you guys get out there and go fishing, man. There's lots of big fish out there waiting for you to come catch them. Thumbs up are always appreciated. Until next time, you guys. See ya. Nice, nice, nice.